Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see multiple instances in Redis, how you can create that and use it. So let's get started. So in Laravel database.php, you can see Redis configurations. So here you can see client is PHP Redis, options you can see for cluster as well. And default you can see here, default and cache. So these two are type of connections only. So as of now we are using default one. So whenever you are setting any key with default, so that will be stored in default connection one, so whichever like configurations you have passed. So here's the host is same for both as of now, and port also is same, so you can make multiple connection also with different keys to same port. So let's create one more, that is, let's say custom connection. So here you can pass your host as well, username, password, whichever you have. I'm just passing custom connection. And if you have a different port, so you can use it here, let's say 6380, but I don't have as such, so I'm using same only 6379. So this one is port you will be using, and after that Redis DB you can increase it by 1. So let's say this will be 2. So let me show you in code. So write Redis set, I'm setting one string, so let's say connection example, and let's say 10. So this will be connecting to default connection one. So now let's connect to a custom connection that we have created. So write Redis connection, and inside that we will be passing key of our custom connection, whichever you have given. So here it will be custom connection. So after connection you can pass set, so whichever data type you are using. So here I'm just passing set only. So here write connection, let's say connection 2 as key, and pass any value. So now let's quickly print from both the connections. Write echo Redis get connection example, and then below one as well second, but here connection you need to pass, so that will be custom connection. And let's echo br in between. So now let's see in browser 10 10. Okay, we are not able to differentiate, let's make it 20. So now here refresh, so here you can see 10 and 20. So now both connection is done, key is set, and also we are able to retrieve that. So now let's check for third connection as well, that is cache one. So let's create one more and pass cache key as connection, and change key as well. So let's say cache key, pass k, and now let's change this to 30. So let's check. So here you can see 30 is also printed. So here cache configuration will be going to cache.php. So if here you will see Redis, so driver also Redis, connection also cache, and log connection you can see default one. So if you want, you can also change here if you have like completely separate only, and you can pass in database.php as well. So it depends on how you want to change. So now next let's create one more connection for session. So here write session as key, and you can increase this database to 3 now. You can also change prefix for individual if you want. So now let's write just si, and now that will be going to sessions.php. So here you can see session driver as a file. So all those things you can find in your env file. So I'm just going to env. So here session you can see, so session driver as of now is file, so you can change that to Redis. So now let's create a connection quickly. So just copy and paste. So connection name, let's write session, and key as well as a session key, and let's change to 40. So now let's check. So 40 is printed. So now last one is q. So let's change q here, key. So here you can make this database 4, and prefix you can see q, and same configurations you can check q.php. So here connection you can see default, and q also you can see default. So here I'm changing connection to q. So now in task controller, let's create one more entry similar to this. So write connection as q here, and set will be qk, and that will be 50. I forgot to add key. So now let's go and check in browser. So 50 is also visible. So that's how you can create multiple instances in Redis. So you can use default cache queue sessions and custom as well. So I have used Laravel to display that. So if you are using Python or any other framework, so you can check their configuration. They must have supported in their configurations. It's all in this video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any doubt, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.